Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas, and in today's video, we will discuss how to install SSL on an AWS EC2 WordPress instance. In a previous video, I showed you how to install WordPress. And in the next video, I linked my IP to my domain. This IP of mine is a public IP, and I have linked it to my domain. So in this video, we will learn about SSL and how to install it on our instance. The first thing you need to do is open PuTTY. I will open PuTTY now. You need to enter your IP address here. After entering the IP, you'll need the key pair you created when setting up the instance. You can find the name of the key pair by scrolling down a bit. My key pair name was WordPress. So first, you need to open PuTTY. Generator. You have to open it, load the PuTTY key generator, and then click on Load. Select the key pair named WordPress that you downloaded when creating your instance. I go to my downloads and select WordPress.pem. I downloaded this when I created my instance. So I'll select this, click on Save Private Key, and I will name it WordPress. Let me save it. This file will be saved with a .ppk extension. After this, go to SSH under Connection, click on the plus sign, click on Off, and then Browse. Go to Browse and select the WordPress.ppk file, then click on Open. Here it's asking for a username. The username is bitnami because the WordPress instance you created was from bitnami. Copy and paste the username here. You'll be automatically logged in without needing a password because you've uploaded your .ppk file. After logging in, I'll refresh once to show that SSL is not yet installed. To install SSL, you need to enter this command, which I'll copy. I'll clear the screen here. After clearing it, I'll paste this command here and press Enter. Let me zoom in a little. It will ask you some questions. First, it's asking for your domain name. I'll copy my domain name here. I'll paste it here and press Enter. It's asking if you want to include www in your domain. If you want to add it, type yes. This is also enabling HTTP to HTTPS redirection. Type yes here and press Enter. It's asking about non-www to www redirection. This will happen automatically. You can choose yes for this, or if you don't want it, you can choose no. If you don't want this, you can type no. Now it's asking if you agree to these changes. Type yes and press Enter. The installation is now in progress. It's asking for an email address. I'll enter my email address because it's required for the next steps. I've entered the email address. Now it's asking if you agree to the Let's Encrypt agreement. Type yes and press Enter. Now it's being installed. The commands after this are for renewal, as this SSL certificate is free for a certain number of days. After that, if you want the renewal to happen automatically, there are 3 commands for that. We'll let this process finish first, and then I'll show you the second command. You'll need to enter your email ID and domain in these commands. Don't execute these commands as they are, because they're specific to my domain. It's prompting to press enter to continue. I'll press enter and now check if my SSL is installed. It's not showing here yet. So I'll open a private tab, use HTTPS, and look here, SSL is installed. The connection is secure. There's an SSL check here. After this, if you want to renew it, you can run these 3 commands. I'll copy the first one, paste it here, and press enter. After that, you need to use the second command. I'll copy it. Let it process for a moment, and after copying this command, I'll paste it here and press enter. Okay, it's done. Then I'll go to the third command. This command stopped the server earlier, so now we're starting it again. You'll see starting services. Once this is completed, your renewal will happen automatically. After installing your SSL certificate, it will keep renewing automatically. I've run these 3 commands for this purpose. Okay, so now the service is starting. It has started. Let me check once again that my system is running properly. It's fine, it's working. From here, we can see SSL is secure. Everything is in place. You have installed your SSL and set up its renewal. In this video, I wanted to show you how to install SSL on the instances that you have previously created. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I'll be posting many more videos related to AWS, cloud computing, and other topics. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching the video.